Hi, I'm Linda. I'm the Executive Director of Impact Bay Area and a whistle instructor. Many of you already know that we are a virtual organization. We don't have an office, and we employ just 2 full-time employees, myself and our wonderful program director, Sarah. But we are still able to deliver the high quality, life impacting programs that we offer because of our talented team of instructors, our passionate and generous volunteers, and our wonderfully supportive board of directors. Most importantly, we have the most supportive community, particularly our donors, who make it possible for us to make decisions about programming based on our mission, vision, and values. We are able to think about how we want to approach violence prevention from a social justice lens and do things like offer our public classes on a sliding scale, spend time creating programs for women of color, for Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders, for LGBTQ folks, and so many other groups. And we're able to do this because we know that our donors are there to support us. We're living in challenging times, and it feels like our rights and our freedom and our power are constantly being taken away from us. In these moments, it really helps me to be able to recall the feeling of freedom and power that I felt after taking my first impact class. That power is imprinted in my muscles and my nervous system. And in times when I feel like everything is being taken away from me, I can remember that feeling of power. And I wish that everyone in our community could have that. So we're asking for your support in making a donation to our summer fundraiser so we can continue doing the work that we do. Thank you so much.